morning, children. Today we are going to learn articles. A and the are articles. Why do we learn articles? Yes, articles are actually demonstrative adjectives pointing out the things or persons. Here a and the. Here a is used with a consonant sound noun and is used with the vowel sound. So which are vowels? A, E, I, O, U are vowels. So when we see the vowel sound, we have to use and. Yes, the in English alphabet 26 letters are there. In that 5 are vowels and the rest 21 are consonant. I have written 3 words. Here you have to write articles. You may write, seeing the vowels, you may write an unit because U is there, and USA, and India. But seeing the vowels as letters, these are wrong. We cannot write like this way. Actually, we are taking the sounds of vowels A, I, O, U. It is U, not U. Understood? So here, seeing the letter U. See, unit. U is a consonant sound. So here it is a unit. And the next one, it's a USA. USA is a proper noun, and before proper noun we are not using articles, but USA is particular, so here we will use the USA because USA, United States of America, consists of so many countries. So here we are using the USA. And India is also wrong. Before proper noun, we are not using any articles. But you may ask me, yes, why the USA and India, only India? Yes, I told you, and once again I am telling, USA group of countries are there. That's why the USA, like that, the UK, the UAE, the Middle East, all these are group of countries, consist of group of countries. That's why the we are using before that. But India, it's a proper noun and we cannot use the before a proper noun. Books, chair, tree, watch. Here first letter B. B is a consonant sound. So before book we can write a book, and it is also singular. And chair is singular noun, and here C is a consonant sound, so here we use a. Tree, T is a consonant sound, so here we use a tree. And water, watch is also singular, countable, here we use a watch. And university, here if you see the letter then it will be wrong. Yes, an university, U is there. If you use an university, then it will be wrong. We cannot use an here because we are using the vowel sound. Once again I am telling, here the sound, it sounds A or E, A, I, O, U. So only the sound you will see. So university, U is a consonant sound, not a vowel sound. So here a university. Similarly unity, a unity, universe, a universe, umbrella. See here, first letter it is U. Here U is there, but we are not taking U as a sound. But as a sound, vowel sound, it should come A or O. Okay, so here umbrella, so A is there, so an umbrella. I hope you have understood. And next, 1 rupee coin. 1, see here O is there, and in the vowels O is there. But you cannot take here and because See the sound first. One, wa. Okay. This is not a vowel sound. This is a consonant sound. So here you will write a 1 rupee coin. I have written some sentences. Let us see which articles will come in this. First sentence, he is dash unknown person. See unknown before this. Okay, you have to see unknown. See, but here this is not pronounced you, but it is a unknown person. A is the sound of vowels. So here you will write an unknown person. Mr. Khanna, second sentence, Mr. Khanna is dash honorable man. Here H is there. H is not a consonant, not a vowel, but here sound is there, honorable man. O is there. That's why Mr. Khanna is an honorable man. Third sentence, this is dash unique plant. So unique, U is a vowel, but sound is not a vowel, it is consonant sound. So here before unique you will write A. So this is a unique plant. Now the fourth sentence, he is dash MA. M is not a vowel, but sound is M. M. A is vowel sound. So here he is an MA. A and an before countables in the singular number. Here book, apple and island. Book. Book is a countable noun. Book, one book, two book, like that we can count. So this is countable and singular also, only one. So here before book we will use the consonant, means we will use the article A because it's a consonant sound. And apple, apple is also singular and it is countable, but here the A, apple, apple, O is vowel sound. So here an apple. And ant is also countable, and before ant we use an ant. And island, islands are also countable. So an island. Now see this. Milk, strength, turn. It is clear that we cannot say a milk because milk is not countable. So with uncountables we cannot use articles. So here we cannot use any article before these nouns, milk, strength, tea, because they are uncountable. Apples, ants, trees. So apples are countables, but this is a plural noun. And before a plural noun, we are not using articles. So here also no article and here also no articles. Some more words are also written in the board. Let us see this. Honest, honest boy. See here, this is not a consonant sound, this is a vowel sound. Honest boy. So here O is there, that's why an honest boy. Now next, honorable man. Here also vowel sound is there, though consonant letter is there, then also vowel sound is there, that's why an honorable man. Next it is our. So an hour. But see here had yes, sound is also consonant sound, that's why a hat. MPBS, M. So is a vowel sound, so an MPBS. Similarly MP and MP. But PhD, P, BA, B, they are consonant sound. So here a PhD, a BA. We use a or an when we mean any person or thing, but we use the when we mean a particular or special person or thing. So when you are there to meet me, then I say take a chair. That means you can take any chair lying there, not particular. But if I say take the chair lying near the window, that means you have to take the particular chair which is lying near the window. So this means a particular chair. Let us see one more example. I have read the book you are talking to. Here the book is particular book which you are talking to. So here the. So we use the before a noun when we want to make it particular. We use the with a common noun when that noun represents the whole class. For example, the dog is a faithful animal. Here dog represents the whole dog family. That's why we use the with dog. The dog is a faithful animal. Otherwise, we don't use the with a common noun. So next example, the elephant has a remarkable memory. Here elephant is also represent the whole elephant group. That's why the elephant. Otherwise, we can say elephants have a remarkable memory. Let us see this sentence. A stranger came to our house and the stranger wanted to meet my father. You can see a stranger and in the second part the stranger. So we mentioned the stranger for the first time. That's why here a stranger. It could be any stranger. And in the second sentence the same stranger wanted to meet my father. That's why this stranger became particular. So the stranger wanted to meet my father. So when we speak of a person or thing for the first time, we use a or an. But when we speak of them again, we use the. We use the before the names of rivers, seas, oceans, mountain ranges. Example, the Mahanadi, the Indian Ocean, the Himalayas, etc. We use the with well-known buildings. Example, the Gateway of India, the Taj, etc. With holy books, the Bible, the Mahabharata, etc. With newspapers, the Indian Express, the Hindu, the Times of India, etc. With countries like the USA, the UK, the UAE. I told you before, okay, USA, group of countries, that's why the USA, but India, only India, not the India. Okay, so directions, with directions like the north, the west, the south, etc. With superlatives, we use the best student, the most beautiful flower, with words like first, last, next, only, some, same, following, previous, etc. There are some tones in using article the. Let us see which are they. We don't use the with proper nouns like Vivekananda, Mount Everest, etc. Similarly, we don't use the with material nouns like wood, water, etc. and abstract noun like beauty, love, etc. unless those nouns have been made particular. For example, we need water for drinking. Here, water is a common noun. Here we cannot use the before water. But see the next sentence. The water we use for drinking must be pure. Here water is specified. That's why here we use the water. Exercise 1 and 2 from textbook are homework for you. So you do that in your grammar notebook. I hope all of you have understood articles. We will meet in the next video with a new topic. Till then, bye.